Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside MoClients. So MoClients is a customer relationship management software which is designed specially for digital marketing agency and freelancers. So it helps these businesses manage their clients' interactions, streamlines project workflows and improve overall efficiency. MoClients offer a range of features including client and lead management, invoicing, task management, reporting and automation tools, etc. This platform is specially tailored to help agencies keep track of their client communications, manage tasks and deadlines, automate repetitive processes, and maintain a clear overview of ongoing projects. So it is basically designed to simplify the day-to-day activities related to CRM. So if you are using MoClients as the CRM of your business, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you that how by simply setting up a connection between MoClients and Pabbly Connect, you can automate all the repetitive tasks which are involved in managing all your clients and managing CRMs. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to set up this connection with the help of Webhook. Actually, we are going to set up Webhook inside MoClients for building this connection. Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up the connection between multiple applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. So when we will set up Webhook inside MoClients, as soon as any event which we want will occur inside MoClients, the response will be quickly and instantly captured inside Pabbly Connect, and then further you will be able to transfer that same response to other applications of your business according to your choice. And in this way your automation is going to work and you will be able to effortlessly complete all your repetitive tasks. So before moving forward, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and actions. Now what are trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I run an event management company, and for managing all my clients, all my leads, I'm using MoClients. Now to generate the leads, I have created a lead gen form with the help of MoClients and I've attached it on my website. Now my objective is that as soon as a lead will be generated by submitting that form, then the response should be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well, so that I can send the data of this lead with all the details to my team members, to my backend team on Google Chat space. For that, let's suppose I'm going to take MoClients in trigger and Google Chats in action. But when we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated in MoClients, then only the details will be sent as a message on Google Chat space, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start setting up this connection. To build this connection and to start with the workflow, first of all, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application as MoClients. So let's quickly select that. After selecting the application, now we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see I have only one event over here, that is new lead. That means now whenever a new lead will be created in MoClients, then this workflow is going to trigger and the response will be immediately and instantly captured inside it. So let's quickly select the trigger event, and as we have done that, now we have to set up the connection between MoClients and Pabbly Connect. And to build this connection, we have received a Webhook URL. Along with it, we have also received some instructions. So we have to follow the instructions given over here carefully step by step to set up the connection by inserting this Webhook URL inside MoClients, because it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of new leads from MoClients towards Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this Webhook URL and then I'm going to tell you exactly what you are supposed to do to build this connection. First of all, it is saying in the instructions that you have to log into your MoClients account. I have already done that, so I'm going to take you towards my account. After coming on your MoClient account, from the left side you will find the option of integration with services. We have to select that. Now after coming over here, when you'll scroll down, you'll find the option of webhooks over here. So over here we have to go towards the settings section in the webhooks. And now here we have to simply paste the Webhook URL. So I will simply delete the existing Webhook URL from this field and I will paste the URL which we have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, now we'll simply click on save and the connection between MoClients and Pabbly Connect is successfully built. After building this connection, what you have to do, we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect and it is showing waiting for Webhook response over here. So now we have to capture the response, and how we are going to do that? By simply doing a test submission. We will create a new lead inside MoClients by submitting this form which we have created and I've attached on my website as I've told you. And as soon as I will submit this form and the lead will be created, the response of that lead with all the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And to do that, now I'm going to take you towards the form. Now I'm going to submit this form with some details, and because I'm doing a test submission just to capture the response, response. Therefore, I'm going to use dummy details over here. Let's say the name of the lead who is submitting this form on my website is Smart Lead. Let's say the email of this lead is smartlead450@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to enter a phone number over here. And in the comment section, I am going to enter the query. As I told you, in this scenario, I am managing an event management company, and in order to generate the leads along with their queries, along with their demands, which kind of events they want to organize, what kind of budget they have, and etc., along with the tentative dates, I have created a lead gen form. So my objective is that when the lead is going to visit my website and they are going to submit this form, then the lead should be added in my CRM, that is MoClients. So along with it, over here in this form, I'm going to enter the query as well. Let's say I want to organize a grand gala dinner. The tentative dates are 5th and 7th of November 2024. So this is a random query I've entered, and I'm going to submit this form. And as soon as the form is submitted, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect to check whether the response is received. And yes, the response is automatically captured over here. So as soon as we have created the lead through form submission, the response is received over here. Now let's check this response. Here we have received the ID of this form submission. Over here we have the URL through which this response is received. That means the form URL. Here we have the date and time in timestamp format. That means the date and time together. Here we have the name of my form. Over here we have received some other details as well. Here I have received the created at date and time. That means on which date and at what time the form is submitted. So here we have received this date and time in timestamp format. We have the exact query which we have submitted in the form. Then we have the phone number of the lead, the email address, the name, and all other details. Okay, this means that the connection between MoClients and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Once you have set up this connection successfully, now every time a lead will be generated in MoClient through the form submission or even manually, then automatically the response with all the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Further, according to your requirements, once you have set up this connection, you can transfer this response to any other application, and that too automatically. If you want to send a message to your team members, you can add Google Chat space over here. If you want to send a WhatsApp message to this client or to this lead in the personalized format according to their query, you can add WhatsApp Cloud API over here to send this WhatsApp message, and even you can create a record in Google Sheets by adding Google Sheets in the action step. Okay. So these are the steps which you have to follow in order to set up Webhook inside MoClients. I hope this video is helpful for you and it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.